What would you do if you found a bag filled with money? One man made a decision that shocked the world. In 2013, Glen James was living on the streets of Boston. He had no job, no family nearby, just a shopping cart with his belongings and a quiet strength in his heart. Every day was a struggle, finding food, staying safe, and holding on to hope. Then one ordinary day, something extraordinary happened. At a shopping mall, Glen saw a backpack left unattended. He opened it, expecting maybe some clothes or food. But what he found inside shocked him. Over $42,000 in cash and traveler's checks. No one was around. No security cameras. No witnesses. He could have disappeared with it. Changed his life in an instant. But Glen didn't even think twice. He walked to the nearest police station and handed over every dollar. The officers were stunned. People couldn't believe it. "Why didn't you keep it?" they asked. "Even if I were desperate for money, I wouldn't have kept even a penny." He said it was never his to keep. Word spread like wildfire. News stations picked up the story. Strangers across the country were moved by his honesty. And then one man took it a step further. The original goal? Just a few $1,000s. Enough to help Glen get a place to stay and maybe a new start. But what happened next, no one expected. People from across the globe sent money. $5, $10, $50. Messages of support, love, and admiration. Within days, the fund skyrocketed. Over $150,000 was raised for Glen. That one act of integrity changed everything. He was no longer just another face on the street. He became a symbol of hope, a reminder that character matters more than circumstance. With the help of that money, Glen was finally able to get off the streets. He found a place to live. He reconnected with people who cared. He finally had peace and dignity. All because he made one honest choice when no one was watching. Sometimes the richest people are the ones with the most integrity. And sometimes the smallest decisions reveal the biggest hearts.